Morning, my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you my full morning routine. So guys, I typically like to wake up at 6, half 7 the latest, slowly allowing my body to just naturally wake itself up. I did have an alarm because I didn't want it to oversleep. What I like to do as the first thing is to read my Bible app and read my devotionals for the day, the scripture of the day, which I will share with you as I go along into the video. But I just like to have some time with God, some time to do my morning prayers. That really helps me to keep me grounded and also helps me to just have a moment with God before taking on everything else. Then after that, I like to do the bed. I just feel like it's so important to do the bed. When you wake up, it sets the tone for the rest of the day. Then once that is done, I like to head to the kitchen. Nowadays, I have some ginger and turmeric wellness shots in the morning instead of having coffee straight away, because this just helps to wake up my digestion, and also it's just good for your wellness and immunity for your body. Then after that, I pretty much get ready to go to the gym. I'm trying to stay in a routine with going to the gym whenever I can. And this is me at the gym, and I just like to work out, go on the stepper, go on treadmill, and I like to go for like about 40 to 1 hour depending on how I feel that day. It's just really good to move your body, even though it is cold nowadays and it's super hard sometimes to be consistent, but it's really important to move your body. And then after that, I come back from the gym, as you can see, and then I pretty much just go and go straight into the shower. I like to have my shower, and it's so nice to have a shower after being out in the cold. Then once I finish, I like to do a little mask. I'm doing this gold sheet mask, which I purchased from Amazon. I'm doing a little bit of laundry in between having the mask on, because I just like to be productive, even though it is a slow morning. And then I pretty much, once I'm finished with the laundry, I pretty much head over to the bathroom, finish off my skincare, put my SPF and moisturizer for the day, and then go and make something to eat. Once I finish up in the bathroom, I head over to the living room. I draw the blinds up just to allow that morning light into the room. It just makes me feel so good when there's light and it's sunny. It just brightens up my mood, especially now that the seasons have changed and it's more darker. It just helps with your mood and just brightens up your mornings. After that, I like to head over and make some oats. I feel like oats is such a go-to autumn, winter, morning thing to eat. I like to add a bit of ground nutmeg to my oats. It just makes it taste so warm, cozy, and it's like a perfect hug in the morning, especially when it's cold nowadays. So I like to have that, and then I pretty much like to head over to the couch and just sit down and watch something nice on Netflix. At the moment, I'm enjoying watching Gilmore Girls again. I used to watch this back in the day quite a lot, so I've just gotten back into it, and it's such a cozy TV watch. And then after that, I'm heading over to making my coffee, because of course I have to have my coffee. I'm currently been enjoying having this pumpkin spice cake from Nespresso, the pod, and it's so good, guys. You should definitely try it. It just feels nice and warm. It's like warm goodness, and I'm just having my coffee whilst talking to my sister on the phone. It's just always nice to have that catch up with your family and just your friends on the weekend. I like to do that. And then I just decided I would I just wanted to bake some banana bread. I had some overripe bananas, so I thought it might be a good idea to bake some banana bread because you can never go wrong with it. So I'm just doing a chocolate chip banana bread, as you guys can see, and then popping that into. I feel like the perfect autumnal Saturday is baking, lighting up your candles, watching your favorite TV series, and also arrangement. Well, that's what I tell myself, that's what I'm doing, but I love doing that. I just love spending some time by myself and just doing the things that I love, like, yeah, doing some flower arrangements. So that's what I'm doing here, sorting that out. It's so peaceful. I find baking, sorting out flowers, and just spending time by myself to be such a peaceful me time that I love. And then after that, I sliced up my banana bread, had the rest of my coffee, and I'm just editing away while still talking to my sister. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, dolls.